3, 2, 1.
What type of roots enable a plant to grow on another plant? The answer is D, epiphytic. What is the largest storage unit of data in a computer system? The answer is D, terabyte. On the show Leave It to Beaver, Beaver and Larry performed a magic trick on Benji, the little boy who lived down the street. They made Benji think they had turned Beaver into what? The answer is D, a rock. Which element has the symbol Cl on the periodic table? The answer is B, chlorine. Astronomers have found evidence for the existence of a supermassive black hole in the center of the giant elliptical galaxy M87. What is thought to cause black holes to form? The answer is C, the collapse of a high-mass star. Pharmacist and surveyor are two career options based in what type of science? The answer is C, physical. Further transformation occurs during organogenesis, the formation of what? The answer is C, organs. Which movie has the record for the highest box office collection? The answer is A, Avengers Endgame. What is the name of the 3 sacred stones Indiana Jones is searching for in the movie Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom? The answer is C, Shankara stones. Which service allows users to stream movies and TV shows online? The answer is A, Netflix. A place without a sandbar is indicative of which of these characteristics? The answer is C, a downstream movement without sediments. Which vegetable is commonly pickled and eaten as a condiment? The answer is A, cucumber. Which vehicle is the fastest land animal? The answer is A, cheetah. Who's in from Bogota? The answer is D, Jive Miguel. What kind of process occurs naturally under certain conditions, unlike its opposite, which will not take place unless it is driven by the continual input of energy from an external source? The answer is D, spontaneous process. Which Roman emperor was known for his lavish parties and buildings named after him? The answer is A, Nero. Which movie features the fictional world of Pandora? The answer is A, Avatar. Who was the first winner on the US version of Chef Gordon Ramsay's reality show Hell's Kitchen? The answer is D, Michael. What is the accelerating pattern of increasing population size called? The answer is C, exponential growth. What is the process by which plants make their own food called? The answer is D, photosynthesis. What tool is used for pulling out nails or screws? The answer is B, pliers. Which of these expressions was not commonly said by Phil Rizzuto as an announcer? The answer is C, high enough, deep enough, gone. Why does Kyle from the series Kyle XY not have a belly button? The answer is B, because he was not nourished by a placenta. Which represents a short-term storage for carbon? The answer is D, carbohydrates stored in fruits and vegetables. What term describes the ability of matter to combine chemically with other substances? The answer is C, reactivity. What is soft, silky, and often shiny but can't talk?
The answer is B, leather.
Brothers Liam and Noel Gallagher are the original members of what world-famous British rock band? The answer is C, Oasis. During a scene of the movie Red Dawn, the Wolverines come across a downed American Air Force pilot. What type of aircraft does he say he flies? The answer is B, F-15. Which fruit is often used in making apple pie? The answer is A, orange. Which book features characters named Atticus Finch and Scout? The answer is C, Huckleberry Finn. What is the scientific name for the red wolf? The answer is C, Canis rufus. What style of architecture is characterized by heavy use of columns? The answer is D, Doric. The tallest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, is located in which country? The answer is D, Nepal. Which of these can alter its appearance naturally to evade being captured? The answer is A, a little chameleon. What is a bed with no headboard called? The answer is D, canopy bed. The mountain range with the longest continuous range of peaks is called the Broken Range, located in which continent? The answer is D, South America. What is the process by which information is transferred across a network? The answer is B, packet switching. What is the usual size range of mature ants? The answer is D, from 0.75 to 52 millimeters. From which language do we get the term flak? The answer is C, German. Which piece of clothing is often associated with the 1960s counterculture movement? The answer is D, leather jacket. Which chemical compound makes up common salt? The answer is D, NaCl. Which law states an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by a force? The answer is A, Newton's first law. What do osteoblasts secrete that mineralizes to become bone matrix? The answer is C, collagen. Titanic's voyage across the Atlantic bound for New York City began where? The answer is B, Southampton, England. Which of these items helps students keep their papers organized? The answer is B, folder. What type of ammo did the pulse rifles fire when used by the soldiers in the movie Aliens? The answer is C, 10mm tip caseless. Jaguars closely resemble which other big cats in physical appearance? The answer is C, leopard. In the Harry Potter series, one of Albus Dumbledore's closest friends and companions is Fawkes, a creature that resides in Dumbledore's office. What kind of creature is Fawkes? The answer is D, phoenix. What is a spatula often used for? The answer is C, baking. What is the name of the Hindu god with multiple arms?